Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be talking about a new foundation which I got recently, and I have been using it throughout this month and I really love it. I basically got it for day-to-day use, for work use, and I have been loving it of lately a lot, and I have been using it every day. This video won't be 8-hour wear test or anything like that because I already wore it for almost 1 month or more than 1 month now, and I have my thoughts about it and I really love it. So the foundation I'm talking about is this one from GELLER, and it's called Balance-n-Brighten, and the shade I have is a golden medium. So I think it has 3 or 4 shades to choose from, and it's more of like universal shade kind of a thing. And this thing really matched my skin tone well, and it corrected all the spots I wanted to correct, and it's very like good foundation for oily skin people because it's a powder, and I live in Florida. It's really hot here and my skin gets too oily, so if I wear liquid foundation or BB cream it makes me more oily and I don't like the look by the end of the day. But this foundation have been holding strong till the end of my day, and honestly guys, my day lasts for like 10 hours and I'm really happy with this foundation. If you girls have oily skin, I will recommend to try this out almost 100% because I'm in love with this foundation. So here is the product itself. I'm really sorry my packaging is really dirty because I have been using it every day now, so it's my like everyday foundation kind of thing, and that's how it looks like. And the girl who sold this to me said that you can use it wet or dry. So if you want to use it as a finishing powder you can use it dry, but if you want a little bit of coverage and just use this product, I will recommend use it wet. And the way I use it, I'll be showing it to you in the clip where I'll show you how I apply this product on my face. So yeah, so that's how the packaging looks like. You have to excuse me for the dirty packaging because I have been using it every day, and at the back you can see all the shade name and everything, all the details about the product. So now I'll show you a little clip where I'll show you how I apply this product. Guys, you saw how I apply this product, and today pretty much this is the only thing I have on my face. I don't have any other product like foundation wise. Over it I have my blush, my highlight, and other makeup, but I don't have anything apart from this foundation as my foundation. So yeah, so you can see it gave me like average coverage, and it really took care of all the discoloration, pigmentation, marks, everything on my skin. So this is kind of coverage I love on day-to-day basis, and the best thing about this foundation for me is it's a powder. So whenever my skin is getting oily, it absorbs that oil and my skin looks oil free almost entire day, and it gives very beautiful glow to my skin. Most of the time I use my moisturizer and then I use this foundation wet on my face, and yeah, my skin looks pretty much perfect, and I really like how this product is not breaking me out. So it's good for your skin, at the same time it's giving you that coverage you need. So I'm really happy about this foundation. I thought I must share my views with you guys. I I'm sorry I didn't had time to film it or wear test, but honestly trust me, I have worn this foundation for 1 month and speaking here in front of you guys out of my experience. So if you are an oily skin girl, go grab it, it'll be your best friend. Like I used to use Bare Minerals loose powder or the mineral whale, I don't know what the name is, but I like it better than that one because that one sometimes used to look cakey, but this thing is amazing. This looks so natural, so glowy, and it has that perfect amount of coverage. So those were my thoughts on this product, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments, questions, anything, put that in the comment section and I'll try to answer all your concerns and reply back to your comments. So that was all. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.